Guys, the truth is the next crypto bull run is going to make more crypto millionaires than you could probably ever imagine. If you thought the last bull run was ecstatic, this one is going to be amplified by another 5 to 10x on what we just saw. We are hovering at $43,000 right now, guys, and we are nowhere near a bull run. This is nothing compared to what we could potentially see in the upcoming months. Now, if you want to stick around, be part of this awesome journey, please do hit that subscribe button right now before we go into the Bitcoin 2024 timeline as to why things could be outrageously good. We looked at a video of this earlier this year, but with Bitcoin at 43.4K right now, with an $850 billion market capital, this is something rather glorious. You know, this is something to be celebrating. When we look at the assets right now, ranked by their market capitalizations, we've got the king, right, of commodities. This is commodities, precious metals, it could be anything, also public companies, ETFs. Now we can see Bitcoin is actually just under Nvidia over here. It's rank 9. That is just Bitcoin alone. That's not even the whole global market cap of blockchain. If you were to just put blockchain here, it's actually rank 7 because it's just ahead of silver. No, it's ahead of Amazon. Cryptocurrency is now ahead of Amazon, guys. 1.59 trillion. This is parabolic. What we've just seen over the last few days, in 7 days, $1.4 trillion market cap up to 1.57 trillion. So we are sitting above Amazon. We're soon going to be taking over Google once again. And gold is at 13.6 trillion, which is a huge all-time high for that particular commodity. And I honestly think Bitcoin in 10 years, fast forward, will be sitting at least top 3, right? In 10 years, at least top 3, which is just a fabulous feeling. So markets are greedy. We're feeling the greed. We're feeling the FOMO intensify here for cryptocurrency. Now, let's just talk about it. You know, the get rich with Bitcoin 2024 timeline. That's what we're going to quickly call it. So, no, this is our little timeline. So January, March 2024, we've got all the BlackRock ETFs, etc., etc. This is going to allow a major amount of institutional money to come in for the blockchain markets, from more traditional markets, right? And this is going to help money flow into Bitcoin. More is going to get scooped up. Fast forward to April 2023, we've got the Bitcoin halving. This is, of course, extremely important because it's going to make miners have less rewards, which means less supply injection for Bitcoin, less supply, more scarcity, you know, versus the demand. It's going to mean that Bitcoin is going to rally post the halving, guys, from 6.25 per block to 3.125. So this is something to consider. Every halving in the past, if you look at the halving date, fast forward 6 months, usually you see something exciting happening. And that's why I'm marking May 2024 as the bull run inception. I do think we could actually still see a correction for Bitcoin down to $25,000 or even $30,000. Fast forward again, we have October 2024, Ethereum ETFs as well. So Ethereum, the second largest crypto, is also going to get ETFs. This is very, very bullish. And then fast forward even further, November USA election. So there could be more policies, regulations, just changes, integral mechanical changes, part of the, you know, the cogs here that are spinning in our political forces that need to change in order to allow Bitcoin to excel, for it to be publicly accepted, fully adopted globally, commercially, Web 2 to Web 3 transition for everything. This is going to be the biggest year cryptocurrency has ever had, and I'm not even prepared. I mean, this is going to be crazy, guys. 2024 is going to be crazy. 2025 will be even crazier. So, of course, we need to prepare. You know, we've had a whole year to do so. We've been in extreme fear for over a year, and that was the time for your dollar cost averaging, ladies and gentlemen. The last year that we had, the extreme fear. If you look at the last year, you know, if we look at all, rather, yeah, it's only giving us the last year. But we can see with that particular chart, let's just scroll down to it, wherever it is, right here, the accumulation opportunity, this is just of 2023, not even last year. You know, we had some good fear levels down here in summertime. Summer was so boring, if I remember correctly. But overall, the time you wanted to be, you know, accumulating cryptocurrency, Bitcoins, was following the actual major sell-offs, when we had the Black Swan events like the Terra Luna Classic crash, like the Sam Bankman-Fried FTT crisis. And these Black Swan events created massive capitulation and colossal fear in the markets. Now, just reflecting back, you can just quickly go to your RSI, and whenever you are pretty much looking oversold on your relative strength index for Bitcoin, you know, you can see these sub 30 levels. These are your golden opportunities, everybody. The key time to be buying into cryptocurrency. Of course, now we are overbought, we're greedy, we're overextended. Therefore, the upside potential is minimized, but the downside potential is maximized. When you're buying down here in the extreme fear, the upside is maximized, the downside is minimized. So, you know, it's all about buying at the right time, and when your gut is telling you that it's a disgusting time to buy. So fast forward to the next bull run, we now know when Bitcoin is oversold in the sub 30, like it has been so many times historically. 2015 oversold, 2018 following the famous 2017 bull run, it hits an oversold territory, which is down here, and then you buy it, and then you make some decent gains when you hold for 1 to 3 years. Now, where I think we personally are right now in this cycle is, I think we're here. I think we're in May 2019, where we had the first massive bull run, corrected, we pumped to an overbought RSI, and that's kind of what we're seeing right now, because we had the first major, well, we had our major bull run, stimulus money, we got the correction down, and now we're getting a pump into the second stage of the RSI. But I do think we are at least due some sort of correction here, guys, and I think we haven't had enough time to still consolidate sideways, get a little bit more accumulation. We need another sell-off, we need to wash out the paper hands again, so the smart money can once again accumulate more cryptocurrency at a lower level. So I think this is, you know, if we look at it from a sentimental analysis point of view, the smart money is buying your Bitcoin, which you keep selling at the bottom. They're buying it at the bottom here. So they're going to ride this wave. They're going to sell for 2, 3, 4x, sell off. Then they're going to buy down here again at 20k. And guess what? It pumps to 150k. They do the same thing over and over again, but you keep falling for it because of your emotions telling you not to buy these extreme fears. So it's completely pointless to buy Bitcoin right now. I'm not even going to touch it, but I just want to tell you guys that 2024 is going to be an absolute giant year for the cryptocurrency sphere. And it doesn't really get more simple than that. And I don't really know what else to say. You know, we've looked at the timeline. It's simple stuff, but it's very, very fundamentally important. And it's integral to Bitcoin's bull run and inception. Also going to the BLX chart. You know, we've been in the green zone for a long time. This is our accumulation zone, guys. We've been here for ages. We're now in the middle of that. We're in the middle of the fear and the greed, which is, you know, the green and the red ribbon, and we're in the middle. So we're at a fair value now. Bitcoin is no longer undervalued, nor is it overvalued, but we're not in a prime dollar cost average, right? DCA is not 100% effective here at unit cost. So I would be still waiting. I mean, we've never seen 8 green candles in a row like this for Bitcoin for over 3 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We might even see a 9th green candle here for Bitcoin, which is outrageous. I've never seen it before for Bitcoin, and this is really something special. So guys, if you are new here, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, but get yourself into our Discord, which is right down below. So get yourself down below into the crypto Discord for the bull run. Prepare yourself, get ready. We've got 500 plus trading signals per month for you guys to enjoy. So if you like signals, if you need a bit of a hand holding in the crypto markets, a bit more support to enhance your confidence, ready, prepare yourself for the bull run, because it's soon, guys. It's really, really soon. The link is down below. So overall, I'm extremely bullish long term. Over the next quarter, I think it's going to be very volatile and rocky, and we don't really need to dig too deep into the core on-chain data right now, because we can just focus on simple things, looking at core metrics like Bitcoin at 853k. I think the overall crypto markets will reach about 7 to 10 trillion valuation in the next bull run, and yeah, honestly, it's been a wild journey. We've got the halving coming. Bitcoin, the price has been crazy for 2023, but remember, it's always the simple indicators that can help you make the most prosperity in these markets. It's always the simple indicators, like your relative strength index, like your fear and greed index, like the Bitcoin rainbow chart, which can be also fantastic. So we're not in a downtrend. We are in obviously a bullish market, but we're not in that bull market that you think we're in just yet. We could still see a dump here for Bitcoin. I'm leaning towards the 30k level, and if we do see 25k to 21k, that is a huge dollar cost average zone for me. Anyways, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you all soon. Stay crypto safe.